Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use our loyalty program. I'm going to walk you through all the steps to creating an account, redeeming buttons and more. Our loyalty account is here to reward you for spending with us. You earn buttons in exchange for certain actions. Say you place an order for £50, you'll earn 250 buttons, and that equals a £2.50 discount on your next order. You can also do different things, which I will go through, to earn buttons. And you can also refer friends. If you refer a friend, you give them £5 discount and you get a £5 discount yourself. So to start, go to our website and everything you need will be in this white square. It's called a launcher, and it's where you will see everything you need to see. It tells you ways to earn and ways to redeem. So let's have a quick look. If you sign up, you get 200 buttons, and that's equal to a £2 discount. And then every pound you spend, you get 5 buttons on an order. And other things like submit a review, celebrate a birthday, you earn buttons. Then when it comes to redeeming, say you build up 500 buttons, you can redeem for any of these. The most used one is the order discount. So for every 100 buttons, you can redeem a £1 discount. So say you place an order for £50, which is the average price of a jumper. You then get 250 buttons, and then when you redeem the buttons, you'll get a £2.50 discount. So let's sign up. Also, just to note, the account is the same as this account, so they're all linked together, and this is the account you need to create. It's the same as this one. If you've ordered from us, you will have buttons, whether you know it or not. Everyone gets buttons, but to redeem them, you must have an account, which is what I'm going to show you how to create. I would use an email that you used when you ordered from us previously. So click sign up now and enter your details. Use the email that you used when you ordered with us, because then the accounts will be linked and your buttons will be there when you log in. So pop your name in, your email, and create a password, and then create an account. If there's any issues here, it's probably because you already have an account, so you either need to figure out your password and just log in as normal, or you can get in touch and we can reset your password for you. So now you've logged in and everything looks the same, but when you click this white button down here, the loyalty program, you're now logged in. So you do have to click it again. So right now I have no buttons. I will soon be getting 200 buttons. It takes a moment for it to assign you the buttons for signing up. So I'll soon have 200 buttons, but I want to earn more, but I don't want to place an order just yet. So I'm going to go to, and these down here are the ones that I can carry out. So firstly, I'm going to put my birthday in. Save that. So when your birthday comes around, I'll get 200 buttons there. So I would like to follow on Instagram. So from there, you log into your Instagram, click follow, and you'll get those 50 buttons. So now I've got my 200 buttons for signing up and those 50 buttons for following on Instagram. And this is the discount that it's showing me I can use. So I can get free shipping on an order. It also tells me when they expire. So I'm going to go and redeem these, but I actually want an order discount. So I want a £2.50 discount. Press redeem. And there you've got your code. Make sure you can press this to copy it. There we go. Make sure that is copied and save it somewhere if you're not ready to order just yet. So I'm going to cross that, and then I'm going to do some shopping. Let's go for a cardigan. I'm going to go for this lovely red cardigan. Go to checkout. Check my cart's all good. Yeah. Checkout. And in this box here, I need to paste that discount code and press apply. It's important to know that it's not an automatic process. You must copy and paste that code. And you can see the discount has been applied. So I will go through and fill out my details, and that's it really. Going back to the referral page, I don't know why I didn't redeem the 50. I don't think you can. Maybe you have to do it in, I think you have to do it in hundreds. Now I would like to, I received my order, I really like it, and I would like to refer a friend, and then I will get £5 off my next order. So what you need to do, it's very important to use this link, because this link identifies that it was you that sent the link and that they've ordered, and means you will get the discount that you are owed. So it's important to use that link and send that to your friend. So you can copy it, send it in an email. You can even put that email in here. So I'm going to send it to myself. send. So now I'm going to go to my emails, and here is the discount. So I've given a £5 discount. You have £5 order discount to use on your first order. Click use it now. Then your friend just needs to go shopping as they normally would with their £5 discount. And when they place the order, you will then get the £5 discount. They have to do it through that link you sent them. And only when they've ordered will you get a discount. Once you've redeemed a code and you may decide not to use it or you may forget, you can use it within 6 months if you remember the code, or if you want us to refund you the buttons and you can use it at another time with a new discount code, then just email us and we can sort that out. So I hope that helped and got you using our loyalty program. You may as well use your buttons and your discounts. If you have any queries, do comment on this video or email us at info@nearlynewcashmere.co.uk and we'll do our best to help.